Captain on the bridge.
All crew to the assembly area. All crew, full combat alert. Fire without command. Port the helm. Half ahead. 25 knots ahead.
It's confirmed.
Stop engines. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Missiles ready to launch. Waiting for target designation. Missile launched at target.
Keeping watch.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Captain, the target has been captured.
Establishing visual contact.
Both engines, half speed ahead. Main rocket console, standing by. On. The target destroyed. Captain, the target has been captured. Stop the engines. Half a stir.
Keeping watch.
Fire at the enemy. The target destroyed. Stop all engines. Half ahead.
Establishing visual contact.
Torpedo fire. Stop engines. The target is within range. Establish visual contact.
I see a hit on the target.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Equipment is ready. Fire at the enemy.
Keeping watch.
Captain, the target has been captured.
Establishing visual contact.
Main rocket console, standing by. Target destroyed. Hard abort.
We are under attack. Damage reported.
Flake speed ahead. Captain, the target has been captured. Starboard the helm.
Fire.
Stop all engines. Engines, full speed. Both engines, half speed. Target hit. Stop engines.
Keeping watch.
Fire at will. Do not wait